Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and this is how to create a Gumroad account. So guys, first thing that you will do is simply go to google.com and just simply search over here Gumroad. Now from here, just simply go to the first one, or you can just simply scroll down a little bit and go for the gumroad.com over here. And now after that, it will redirect you to their official site, and just simply go for start selling at the top right corner of the screen. And after that, just simply click on start selling again over here on the top right. And now from here, you can continue with Facebook, Google, X, or Stripe, or you can just simply manually create an account. So in my case, guys, I will continue with Google. And now from here, I'm just going to simply select one of my account and just simply provide your password and click on next. And now click on continue. And after that, guys, to protect our account, an email will be sent to us. So just simply go to your email. So guys, the email will look something like this. And just simply copy this code that they have and just simply go back and just simply paste the authentication token and click on login. And from there, you should be able to create an account. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching. See ya!